think I'm going to sneeze, Squishy.
Okay.
I'm worried.
Don't worry. Do you want me to hold on to you?
Well, I just don't... I just don't want to.
So I'll hold on to you because otherwise you might fall off the boat.
Okay, I think I'm alright. I think it's passed.
Wait.
I think I was using this wool.
No, Stampy.
I didn't have
Stampy,
enough wool, by the
don't
way,
worry.
so... Sorry.
Stampy, where are you?
I'm here.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Get in. Come on,
What are you
get
doing?
in.
It's just the sneeze chamber.
Get in. Yep, just in case. I don't want you falling over
Good
or
choice of
hurting
colour.
anyone.
Saves cleaning it afterwards, doesn't it?
Exactly, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, you stay in there. You gonna sneeze? Oh no, did you fall through the floor?
I'm alright.
No, you're okay.
I'm
You're good.
okay.
I was expecting you to break through the floor and then I'll get you out and you disappeared.
I keep
Oh
sneezing.
no, Sammy, get in!
Oh
no,
no!
you're going out of control!
I keep sneezing.
Sammy, no, you're gonna fall off the boat! No, Sammy,
Oh no!
careful!
Oh, no!
Sammy, no!
I sneezed
Every
overboard.
Every time!
Oh no! That's why I need to be in the chamber, Squishy. Every
I'm sorry.
time.